I'm trying matcha for the first time.
Protein rich meal. It looks like apple for coffee.
Yeah, अपना जैसे फूड कोर्ट होता है but heavy है ये.
Heavy. This is mine and avocado toast.
So this is our first meal in NYC, Hole in the Wall Cafe, which was just nearby to our hotel Saunders. And the cafe was amazing. Just have a look how spacious it is.
One avocado toast and one brekkie roll.
She was already very much hungry. You can look at her face. And then we got this amazing, amazing food. Just have a look. This is an avocado burger and avocado sandwich. And it was the best. And in this moment, we knew we are going to have some really, really good food on this trip. Next is Tool This was our favorite coffee place for the entire 7 days we were in New York. We had coffee every single day here. This place is 10 on 10. You get so many options. Just have a look. Every item is grab and go. Just have a look. There's savory, there's dessert, there's bread. There's so many desserts that are just unique in shape. Just have a look.
Look at the coffee. I've ordered pistachio latte, tiramisu latte.
एक बार देखो जरा इनकी कोल्ड ब्रू कितनी ही सुंदर कितनी ही बढ़िया जस्ट हैव अ लुक सो ब्यूटीफुल इट इज एंड इट वाज बेस्ट कॉफीज we have had in the entire US trip. So this place is 100% recommended और charges थे
Somewhere around $14 and $1 tip, so around 15.
एक तो I'll keep repeating this because the best food and the best drinks we had was in New York in the entire US trip और ये matcha कैसी थी आइए जानते हैं.
Nice. matcha का तो पता नहीं लग रहा.
स्ट्रॉबेरी का फ्लेवर आ रहा होगा.
Nice.
So for anyone waiting to hop on the matcha trend, New York is the place to be and Chacha Matcha is the exact place to be. This place is a very interesting place. As you can see, there are a lot of veggies. आपको देख के लगेगा कि it might be Chipotle, but it is not Chipotle. It's a different concept, kind of on the similar note, but it's completely based on avocados. So many avocados, and this place is called Avo.
It's basically bowls, so this is what we have ordered and काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं. बढ़िया प्रोटीन रिच मील अभी हमने एक ही लिया है. लेट्स सी खा के देखते हैं कैसा है. एंड ये अच्छा है. वैसे यहाँ पे मील्स के बहुत ही बढ़िया ऑप्शंस हैं एंड ऑल गुड. एवरीथिंग इज़ वेरी नाइस. सो यहाँ पे देखो ऐसे अलग अलग टॉपिंग्स हैं. इफ़ यू विल सी यू कैन सिलेक्ट एनी टॉपिंग्स फ्रॉम हियर. जो भी सब्जियाँ होती हैं घर में, you can select any kind of protein you want to have. उसमें any sausages, eggs वगैरह जो भी आपको लेना है, snacks and any drinks if you want. And इन लोग के ऑर्डर जा रहे हैं देखो crazy करके.
So for vegetarians, this place is heaven. 100% recommended on your New York trip. This next place is the most favorite place of Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor. Every time they are in New York, they definitely go to Joey's Pizza. It is that place which is Instagram viral. People stand in queue for 1 hour, and we also did. We stand in 1 hour queue to try the pizza. Honestly, it was okay in taste. We didn't like it that much. It was 7 on 10, but you can skip it because there's no point staying in line for 1.5 hours to try the pizza. There are so many better pizza places in New York. Have a look at this line. Do you really want to stand in line? To the next place, my favorite, Liberty Bagels. This is another internet viral place, but this was actually so good. We don't get anything like this in India. Have a look at this. ये सारी की सारी cream cheese है. इतने सारे flavors की. इतने सारे flavors. There's jalapeno, there is chipotle, there is so much. There's even dessert flavors. And this is our bagel right here in front of us. Let's see how do we like it.
Very nice.
I loved it so much I had to come the next day also to try it. One pro tip, don't order from the preset menu. Must try the onion and garlic flavors. They were just so good.
Next we have come to Angelina's. यहाँ की hot chocolate बहुत famous है, so we are going to try that. And we are also getting some macarons. The store is very nice, just 1 minute from Bryant Park and very famous apparently. How's it?
Very nice.
Did you actually like it?
Yeah. It's like how we had it in Paris. So वैसा ही लग रहा है.
Guys, I just had this macaron at Angelina's and I think I've not had a better macaron. This is legit so good. So good. Perfect crispy layer है बाहर की and अंदर इतना soft है. I couldn't stress on this enough. Just look at this. Need to try this if you are here. Right guys, welcome back. तो अभी हम लोग आ गए हैं डम्बो में.
एंड साउथ मार्केट, तो ये ऐसे अपना जैसे फूड कोर्ट होता है, ये
हाँ.
वैसा है. देखो
बट लुक्स फन. बढ़िया वाइब है यहाँ पे एकदम. सब अपना खा रहे हैं क्विक बढ़िया बैठे हुए हैं. प्लेस इज गिविंग वेरी हिस्ट्री टीवी काइंड ऑफ वाइब कि एकदम यहाँ पे भी आगे कोई इंटरव्यू लेने लग जाएगा हमारा कि कैसा खाना लग रहा है, ये सब चीज़ें. सो गाइज हैव अ लुक. काफ़ी सारा कुछ है आइटम्स यहाँ पे एंड काफ़ी क्रेजी रश है एक्चुअल में. सो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर हियर. लाइक लुक एट दिस. दिस इज such good desserts. I'm really liking the vibe of this place. Then here are some donuts. I think mini donuts.
Moving on to the next place, and yes, it is another coffee place that we really loved. Blue Bottle, it is a famous brand, and there's a reason why it is famous. I think we had some really good coffees with cold foam, just so good. Wैसे, this place is also called Apple for Cafes, and there's a reason why. Have a look.
The branding so minimal and so good. I fell in love with it instantly. So pretty. Even the glasses, everything. It almost feels like Apple, but for coffee. Look at the entire store, so minimal. There's no text, no photos, nothing. Like nothing, literally. It's all plain. How do you like the coffee?
very
And Blue
nice,
Bottle?
very nice.
Look at the stores, guys. इतना बढ़िया.
So minimal.
It
एंड द लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, चिपोटले. आपने अपने रिलेटिव से, दोस्तों से, सबसे सुना होगा चिपोटले के बारे में. एंड दिस इज वर्थ द हाइप बिकॉज इट वाज सो गुड. दिस इज लाइक राजमा चावल बट लाइक इंटरनेशनल. सो अमेजिंग एंड वेरी अफोर्डेबल ऑल्सो.